In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email broadcast in Gumroad. To get started, log into your Gumroad dashboard and look over to the menu on the left-hand side. From there, click on Emails. This is where Gumroad lets you create and manage messages that you want to send to your audience. So it's the main area you'll be working in for broadcasts. Once you're on the Emails page, click on New Email. This opens the email editor where you can build your broadcast from scratch. If you're sending an announcement, update, or promotional message, this is the place to put everything together before it goes out. Next, add your email title. This title is important because it helps identify the email and usually acts as the subject line your audience will see. Make sure it's clear and relevant to the message you're sending so your readers immediately understand what the email is about. After that, write your personalized message in the main content area. This is where you'll type the body of your email. Keep your message easy to read and focused on the purpose of the broadcast. A friendly, direct tone usually works well, especially if you want your audience to feel like they're hearing from a real person rather than receiving a generic announcement. If you need to include a file with your email, click Attach Files. This is useful if you want to share something extra with your audience, such as a resource, document, or downloadable item that supports your message. Then, select the file from your device. After choosing it, wait for the upload to complete before moving on. This part is important because if the upload hasn't finished, the attachment may not be included properly. Giving it a moment to fully process can help you avoid issues later. Once your title, message, and any attachments are ready, go to the Publish drop-down menu. This menu gives you options for when you want your email to be sent. If you want to send the broadcast right away, select Publish Now. This is the best option when your message is time sensitive or ready to go immediately. If you'd rather send it later, select Schedule instead. Scheduling can be helpful if you want your email to go out at a more strategic time, or if you're preparing content in advance. Finally, click on Save. This confirms your choice and finalizes the email based on whether you selected immediate publishing or scheduling. And that's how to create an email broadcast in Gumroad. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.